Did you know underinflated tires can quietly destroy your fuel economy, wear out your tires faster, and dramatically increase your chances of a blowout, especially if you drive a heavier SUV? And here's the scary part. Most drivers don't realize they have a pressure problem until they see that tire warning light pop up right before a road trip, or worse, while they're already stranded. That's exactly why a portable tire inflator is one of those tools you hope you never need, but when you do need it, it feels priceless. And trust me, not all inflators are built for SUVs. Some are great for topping off a sedan tire, but completely fall apart when you ask them to inflate larger SUV tires. Others are powerful, but painfully bulky. And some claim fast inflation while taking forever. So today, we're ranking the top 6 best portable tire inflators for SUVs, from ultra-portable cordless models to heavy-duty inflators built for larger tires. And stick around, because our number 1 pick hits the sweet spot most SUV owners actually need. Let's jump in. Before ranking these inflators, we focused on what matters in real-world emergencies: inflation speed, battery life, portability, ease of use, long-term reliability, and how well each inflator handles larger SUV tires, not just compact car tires. Because that's where weaker inflators get exposed fast. Starting at number 6 is the Airmoto Portable Tire Inflator, and this thing is built for convenience. It's compact, cordless, and incredibly easy to store. Throw it in your glove box or center console and forget about it until you need it. That portability is its biggest strength. The digital pressure gauge is easy to read. The auto shutoff feature prevents overinflation, and the built-in flashlight is genuinely useful during nighttime emergencies. For topping off slightly low tires, this works great. But here's the catch. Large SUV tires expose its biggest weakness: speed. If your tire is seriously low or completely flat, this thing gets slow fast, and battery drain becomes noticeable. That's why it ranks here. Perfect for quick maintenance, not ideal for major emergencies. At number 5 is the LASFIT TK1, and this is where cordless inflators start getting serious. This thing feels dramatically more powerful than smaller cordless models, and that matters for larger SUV tires. Its huge battery gives it far better endurance. Inflation speed feels noticeably faster, and the auto stop feature makes everything simple. Set your pressure, start inflating, walk away. Done. This is a huge upgrade over smaller cordless units. But here's the downside. It's significantly bulkier, and it costs more. That's the trade-off for power. Still, if you want cordless freedom without sacrificing performance, this is a strong option. At number 4 is the AstroAI Portable Inflator, and this is easily one of the best budget-friendly options here. This unit skips batteries entirely, and honestly, that's a huge advantage. No charging worries, no dead battery surprises. Just plug it into your vehicle and start inflating. That reliability matters during emergencies. Its long power cable helps reach all 4 tires easily, and inflation speed is solid for the price. But it doesn't feel as heavy-duty as higher-ranked options, and build quality feels more basic. Still, for budget buyers, this is hard to beat. At number 3 is the OlarHike Cordless Inflator, and this product solves one of the biggest frustrations in this category: dead batteries. This inflator gives you both cordless power and a 12-volt backup cable. That's incredibly smart. Use it wirelessly for quick convenience, and if the battery runs low, plug it into your SUV and keep going. That flexibility makes it one of the safest choices on this list. It also works well for bikes, sports equipment, and motorcycles. Now here's the downside. It's not as powerful as larger dedicated inflators, and it won't inflate large tires as quickly as our top 2, but the versatility is excellent. Before we hit the top 2, here's where most buyers mess up. They buy the smallest inflator because it looks convenient, then realize it struggles badly with SUV tires. Bigger tires need real airflow, and these final 2 deliver exactly that. At number 2 is the WARWOLF 160 PSI Inflator, and this thing is built for SUV owners who prioritize speed. This inflator feels far more aggressive than budget models. It handles larger tires faster, it runs continuously, and it doesn't rely on battery charging. That makes it excellent for road trips and emergency kits. Its higher PSI rating also helps with larger vehicles and light trucks. And the build feels noticeably tougher than cheaper options. Now yes, it's corded. That means less freedom compared to cordless models. But if raw performance matters more, this thing delivers. And finally, our number 1 pick is the 150 pounds per square inch portable air compressor. And this wins because it balances everything most SUV owners actually need: reliable 12-volt power, strong inflation performance, affordable pricing, auto shutoff, digital pressure gauge, emergency lighting, and enough power for most SUV tires. It's not the fastest, it's not the smallest, and it's not the fanciest, but it consistently solves the biggest problem: getting you back on the road quickly without overspending. That's why it takes the top spot. For most people, this is the smartest emergency tool to keep in the trunk. So which one should you buy? Best ultra-portable inflator? Airmoto. Best cordless power? LASFIT. Best budget option? AstroAI. Best hybrid design? OlarHike. Best heavy-duty inflator? WARWOLF. And best overall? The 150 PSI Portable Air Compressor takes the crown, because reliability beats flashy features when you're stuck on the side of the road. If you want pricing, discounts, or availability, check the links in the description below. And tell me in the comments, have you ever had a flat tire during a road trip? Those stories are always wild. And don't forget to subscribe for more car gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.